sorry, we had to fix it. At our academy, you're to lend your undying loyalty to either me or Tuffnut.
I made some adjustments to the target since I have a mastery of all things mechanical.
How was I getting it up? How was I getting it up there? How did you get it up Go put it a long time.
This is like a toddler job.
I know. What? I do. Yeah, you just keep pulling it down, right? It doesn't even reach the shoulder. Oh yeah, look, I can on that. No way.
What happened? What happened?
Wait, what is that going on? Wait, what is that going on?
That's right.
Look here, what are they going to get wet?
I think we can raise one.
That's what I was thinking, like, if they want us to. Okay, now. Oh, if they do, I'm ready. Oh, wait. You're not the right. Yeah, I'm gonna. I thought I wanted to say it and yeah, I think I want to do it. No, it seems like not supposed to hit this. I just don't know. Maybe something doesn't always happen. It can't even reach this. Like, I don't know. Oh no, oh no, oh no,
Go, Fyre. No. Oh, this thing is
not that I wanted to. Yeah.